Hey guys, so this Mother's Day, I planned a little getaway with my mum at Courtyard Marriott, and it was honestly just perfect. It felt like the best decision to escape the routine and celebrate her. As soon as we walked in the lobby, it felt so warm and welcoming, like a great start to a little staycation. We headed up to our room, and it was cozy, clean, spacious, and just had that feel good vibe. Everything was thoughtfully done from the lighting to the linen. Even the bathroom was really nice. I always check that first, and this one did not disappoint. And look at this view. We could actually see DY Patil Stadium right from our room. Such a cool surprise. And then, it was time to chill with mom. We grabbed some coffee, had one of those heart to heart chats. The kind that just make everything feel right. It's these small moments that become the big memories, actually. After that, we made our way to the pool, and wow, the vibe there was so relaxing. The water looked so calm, the sun was just right, and for a moment, everything else just faded away. We found a cozy little corner by the pool and just lounged there for a while. I honestly could have stayed there forever, just soaking in the calm and the sunshine. Being poolside with my mom, laughing, talking, and just being, it was everything. Ordered some yummy mocktails because why not? Gotta treat ourselves, right? They were refreshing and just added that little vacation spark to the afternoon. And post that, I even squeezed in a quick gym session, nothing too intense, just enough to feel good. Then, of course, I headed back poolside for some snacks because food always tastes better by the water. We shared a few bites, laughed, and just let time slow down. Then came selfie moment, classic me and mom moment, just capturing memories. I swear our selfie album is my favorite photo gallery on my phone now. Then we hung around in the lobby for a bit, soaking in the calm. It had such a peaceful energy, we didn't even feel like going back to the room. Then it was time for the highlight of the afternoon, the special Mother's Day brunch. And honestly, we were so excited. As soon as we stepped into the restaurant, the aroma, the elegant setup, and the soft music in the background made everything feel extra special. We decided to go all in. Started with fresh, crunchy salads, beautifully plated with olives, cherry tomatoes, and dressing that actually tasted as good as it looked. Then came the mains, comforting pastas, creamy paneer gravies, soft breads fresh out of the oven, and even some spicy fusion starters. She was so touched, and seeing her eyes light up like that made me a little emotional too. And then dessert happened. There was this entire table. No, wait, an entire world of desserts laid out for us. Silky chocolate mousse, mini cheesecakes with berry toppings, mango pudding with a glossy finish, and flaky pastries dusted with powdered sugar. Everything was so amazing. And just when I thought the moment couldn't get any better, the hotel staff walked over with a surprise. They handed her a beautiful red rose with the sweetest smile, just a simple gesture, but so meaningful. That moment, filled with warmth, love, food, and a single rose, summed up exactly why I planned this. And then came the best part. I booked a spa session for her, just wanted to pamper her the way she deserves. She smiled so much, and that made everything totally worth it. Post spa, we grabbed something light, a fresh salad that was actually super tasty. Sometimes simple food just hits different, especially when you're feeling so relaxed. Then comes the dinner time. Dinner was at Malang restaurant and they had so many great vegetarian options. Everything was full of flavor. We tried almost everything on the menu. Not even sorry. We talked, laughed, just really soaked in every moment together. It reminded me how important it is to take these pauses and just be present. The decor was lovely. As we ate, we kept talking about the day, how lucky we were, how much we enjoyed each other's company, and how this meal was the perfect way to end the perfect day. And finally, I wrapped up the day with a little solo time by the pool, reflecting on how special this day really was. It was peaceful, quiet, and I felt nothing but pure gratitude. Thank you so much for watching.